Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage ambient sound using your headphones LG Tone-Free Fit. So let's get started with open the application. Now I should put it to my ears to enable ambient sound. Now click on ambient sound, and right here we have two options. Listening mode, it's to hear ambient sound, and the second one to hear your voice more clearly. So if you're walking at the street, just click on this listening sound, and if you wanna speak with someone, just swap to conversation mode. So by just clicking right here at this wheel, and the same with the listening mode. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.